Scott doing here at MarineMax of Dallas. And we're standing here inside a brand new Sea Ray SLX 230 for the model year 2020. So nice deep bow seating up front, storage underneath all of your seats all the way around in the bow, as well as really nice built-in storage built into both sides of the helm and the companion side also. Bow block-off door. This one does have twin Simrad screens inside the dash, which is actually now standard. So really, really nice. That'll give you your chart plotter, GPS, downscan sonar, fish finder. It'll also cookie crumb your way around. This one was also ordered with the upgraded stereo system, so it's going to have real nice fusion speakers all the way around the boat. As with all of the SLXs, it's also going to have a flip-up seat back on the back. So if you're sitting back here to put on your skis or wakeboards, gives you a nice place to sit. And this one is also going to have a very nice flip-down swim platform. It'll sit down, several inches underneath the water, give you a place to sit or sit in the water when you're swimming around with the kids. So it's a really, really nice boat. I invite you to come in and get a look at it. So whenever it's good for you, pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, stop in the showroom. We look forward to seeing you.